What this guy's doing too at nighttime, he's driving by like this when people are sleeping so that he can give them heart attacks. I'm very serious when I tell you this. That's the purpose of these attacks, yo. I'm very serious when I say this to you. And if you take a sleeping pill, your chances of having a heart attack goes up by 8 times. Serious stuff. Because when you're sleeping, loud noises affect your heart even more than when you're woken up by loud noises. By 8 times. All right, so that's what this guy is doing. Okay, this guy's not doing this by mistake. Okay, let me promise you, right? This guy is orchestrating these events. He knows he's plotting these attacks on people. He knows what he's doing. He's brought members from his army here with him. This guy's in the military, right? He's not some standard dink just driving around. Okay, like honestly.